Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and fast and free shipping. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Let's get inside of this thing and see what it is. And of course, you guys can check their other items out. If you don't like this item, but if you like this item, all you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart, check out really fast, and they'll ship this to you fast. Pretty easy. Now we have here, oh boy, come from not sure, Conico outdoor security camera, 2-way HD video. You can use your phone, motion detection, IP66, waterproof. There we go, inside. Take a look inside what it looks like, set it all up. Definitely not going to hook it up outside today because it's so cold out. There's a lot of ice out, so I'm not going to hurt myself, but I'll show you the main stuff, how it looks and set up and everything, but definitely not going to go outside today. It is too cold. So, we shall see what it does. There we go. Oh. Like I said, check out the other goodies on the link down below. Manual there, we might need it just in case there's a QR code. And here it is. Oop, there it is. Goodies in here. Alright. Antenna. Power. Screws. And blockers. Weather blocker. Ethernet. Screwdriver. Camera time. Ah, this is a nice little guy. Let's see. And that's covered. That's where you stick it. I think the antenna. Somehow. Maybe lift this up. There we go. Cheerio. Now we bend it like so. So you have it like mounted. Whoops. Yeah, gotta get more. Tighten it up a little bit more. This should be good to go. You can have it like this way, or you can mount it like this into the wall, garage, wherever you need extra set of eyes. Especially now with everything going on, you might want to get the upper hand of the bad guy. Hopefully it never happens, but just in case you want to feel more, or you can use it like a kid's room in case you got a baby newborn. You go watch them over, make sure they don't fall out of their cage or their where do I plug her in? Oh, right over here. Where do I plug her in? It's inside. It's in here. Hold on one second. Here we go. Here's the cord on the back of it. We got the reset button right here, but we're not going to need that, so we're just going to cap it up. That is the reset button, and that's for the Ethernet, and that's the power. Alright, we got that figured out. So you stick this. Actually, you might want to cap it using one of these waterproof tips. As soon as springtime comes, I'm definitely going to set this up outside and do a little recap. But right now, it's just way too cold out there to go out. It's too big for that one. And then I think this will be this size. Oops. There we go. There we go. Plugged it in. Boom. Put that over like that, so that electrical won't get water in it. It should seal it. Plug it in. And I might have to grab my other phone. Okay, I don't think it's plugged in right. Wait a sec. One second. There we go. I heard it clicked. Should take a second to load up. I like these bullet cams. These are really nice. Okay, let me grab my other phone. I'll be right back. There we go. Alright guys, once it gets fully charged or fully ready, it'll make a little drop it sound. So I know that's ready to go. Hear it? I just gotta look up the app. What's it called? Alright, we got a QR code right there. And it's download. What is it called? Scan the QR code. Alright. It'll be called MIPCM. App Store. Oh, sweet. And a device. Outdoor camera. Enter the device. So he's going to ask you all this stuff. And then QR codes right here. There it goes. Wi-Fi connection. Let me do this. There we go.
Wait for a moment.
We got it, I think. It's like RTD2.
Connecting to the server.
Alright, last step.
Config successfully.
Yeah, buddy. So we got it right here. First time setup. I don't need. Yeah, I do it. New sub, you gotta enter your password so you make a password you can remember. I usually try to keep it the same as my other devices. So there's too many passwords to remember. Okay. Here we go. Come on. Oh. Bada boom, bada bing. Takes a second. It's loading up right about now. Pause you guys for a sec. Alright guys, sorry about that. Had a brain fart. There we go. I could do cloud recording, HD 1080p. Settings are easy to use. Microphone. Here, that works perfect. Oh yeah. You can change brightness, contrast, and sharpness. Oh. Click on that. And then if you want it this way, hit that button. And record, microphone, speaker. Has everything you guys need. I do believe night vision is always a bonus. See, you can internet, Wi-Fi, record, date, time, factory reset, flip the screen, motion. You could always smart tracking, which is really cool. You got day and night it, so night vision is a bonus. SD card, you could get one. Sound, 60 hertz usually. I like. Save that, should come in clear. A lot smoother. I gotta. There we go. Look at that. You can zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Alright, guys, so check them out. Conico. I do believe this is the name. Yeah, Conico. Link will be down below. Check them out and see what other cameras they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart. Check out, and they'll ship it to you fast. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good day. See you soon.